ADVM 5C, 5D, 5E, CNC milling levels 1 through 3 classes. Okay, ADVM 5C, D, and E, they're levels 1 through 3. You wouldn't be taking those in your first term, but again, the modality is in person or hybrid. Our evening classes, advanced classes, are often hybrid. That way the lecture is online. You don't have to be on campus as late. Our day classes tend to be 100% in person. Okay, the prerequisites. Again, in order to progress to 5C, you have to take 2A, 2B, 5A, and 5B. So make sure you're planning for that, or you'll slow down your progress. And for 5D, you have to have 5C. And to take 5E, you have to have 5D. Co-enrollment again is permitted, so you can take ADVM 5C in the first 8 weeks of the term and D in the second 8 weeks of the term. We do have an enrollment advisory. ADVM-C is not offered in the fall of 2026 because we restructured the program. It will be offered in the spring. And ADVM 5E is a new class that will be offered for the first time in the second 8 weeks of the spring semester. ADVM 5 series projects examples. These come from all different levels. We have some different designs cut. Looks like in 2022 up in the top there, had a hex shape and a puzzle looking shape. In the upper right, we have some tools that we make. We make quite a few tools that you can keep that you use in the trade. So those are indicator stands. And then in the lower right-hand corner, we have a bracket that goes for an automotive application. Apply now at sierracollege.edu. And to check out the latest things in our program, follow us on social media